How to install TextNow app on mobile phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. TextNow is the only free phone service provider with unlimited talk and text and essential data on the nation's largest 5G network, all in one convenient app. If you want to download and install this application, head over to Play Store, or if you are on your iPhone, then head over to App Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for TextNow. Now, this is the application you should be looking for. If you want to get more details on this app, tap on the About This App option, and here you have all the details, including app information. Now, this application might not be available in all the countries and region. If that is the case, you will not be able to download this application. However, if it is available in your region or country, simply tap on the install button. Once you tap on that, the download will begin. After the download has been completed, it is going to be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do now is tap on the open option, log into your account and start using the TextNow app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.